Roasted pepper and tomato soup is a comforting soup, perfect for autumn. The key to achieving its distinctive flavor is using farm-fresh vegetables and artisan extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Out of all the balsamic vinegar of Modena in our range, we chose the gold balsamic because of its sweet and sour flavor with fruity shades. Ingredients: 7 large tomatoes, 4 orange peppers, 3 garlic cloves, 4 carrots, 1 vegetable stock. Belmorso extra virgin olive oil, 600 ml water. IGP gold balsamic vinegar of Modena. Seeded whole grain bread. Preparation: then wash the peppers, cut them in half and remove the inner seeds. Season lightly with salt and pepper and drizzle a little Belmorso extra virgin olive oil. Roast in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Later, put them under the grill for the last 5 minutes. While your vegetables roast in the oven, you'll prepare the rest of the soup. Peel and cut your carrots, and dice finely. Mince your garlic and put both into a large soup pot. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and put on your hob/stove to sauté for around 20 minutes over medium heat. Make sure to mix them frequently. Boil the water for your stock and melt the stock cube in it. Take the roasted tomatoes and peppers out of the oven and transfer to the pot with the carrots and garlic. Add the juice in the pan too, and then add your vegetable stock. Using a silicone spoon, mash slightly your tomatoes, mix everything, and cover with lid. Leave to simmer at medium heat for 30 minutes. Leave to cool and blend. Serve with a drizzle of Belmorso extra virgin olive oil and IGP gold balsamic. Enjoy with some crusty bread and a piece of Parmesan cheese. You can store the rest of the soup for the next day, to be enjoyed at work or at home. You can even store some in a container and freeze it for a quick lunch out of the freezer kind of day. We promise it'll still taste delicious. Buon appetito!